Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have something very exciting for you. We will unbox our very own Winmate rugged laptop L140AD-3, a fully rugged laptop fit for field professionals in the harshest environments. So let's check it out.
From utility crews and field engineers to military and defense personnel, this device is made for professionals who can't afford to compromise on performance or durability. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Everything here is professionally packed, reflecting Winmate's attention to detail and commitment to product safety during shipping. We start with the Quick Start Guide and User Documentation, a helpful resource for initial setup, technical support, and warranty details. It comes with 2 hot-swappable batteries for longer operation. Next is the industrial-grade power cord with its rugged-grade AC adapter. This unit is designed for secure and reliable charging, even in fluctuating field power conditions. And here it is, the Winmate L140AD-3. Right away, you can feel the weight and build quality. This isn't just any laptop, it's fully rugged, engineered to withstand shock, vibration, dust, water, and extreme temperatures. It's enclosed in a magnesium alloy chassis and complies with the military standard 810H and IP65 standards. The hot-swappable batteries are designed for quick and easy installation. Just slide and lock into place, no tools required. Let's take a closer look at the hardware. The L140AD-3 features a 13.3-inch Full HD screen with optical bonding that reduces glare and improves visibility outdoors, even under direct sunlight. You'll notice the full-sized keyboard with adjustable backlighting, perfect for night or low-light operation. The large touchpad is glove-friendly, which is essential for field technicians. On the sides, we've got a rich set of I/O ports, including USB, HDMI, LAN, COM, audio, and more, all with protective covers to shield from dirt and moisture. That's the Winmate L140AD-3 rugged laptop. Whether you're in military operations, field service, public safety, or industrial maintenance, this device is built to deliver durability, power, and connectivity wherever your job takes you. Thanks for watching. For further information, feel free to visit our website or contact our sales representatives.